So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video we're about to teach you guys, and what you're about to learn is control structure. So what is control structure? Structure helps us in creating determinants. Helps us in what? Creating determinants. How we can determine some certainties using the C programming language. Is nearest to a condition, right? Is nearest to a condition or likely to be a condition, but in this case you will learn as we proceed. So we have a short snippet right here, and let's explain what this is saying. So this is actually a statement, right? So this has brings us into what? If statement, else if statement, and else, right? As I told you earlier on that we're going to cover all of those in this class. So let's create a comment, a single line comment. So this is what we can call it control structure, or we can call it statement. Now we have int number equals to 10, right? So we have a first statement which is a condition. If number is greater than 0, print the number is positive. Else if number is lesser than 0, print the number is negative. Yes, as we have, just like in a number line system, 0 is the midpoint between negative and positive. Greater than 0 goes to the positive aspect, lesser than 0 goes to the negative aspect. Then we have our last statement, which is else print the number is 0. So if the number is not greater than 0, is not lesser than 0, then the number should be what? 0, right? So let's build and run this program right now. So the number is positive. Okay, so let us see something. Let us assume the user entered a number, right? We want to make this more intuitive and a very interesting class. We don't want it that we have a declared number already. We want the user to enter a number, and we want the program to detect the number the user has entered. Either it is a positive number, a negative number, or the number is 0. So right here we are going to remove this number that was declared. So we are going to print a condition. So we say print f, open and close parentheses, open and close, double quotation, enter a number. So we want the user to enter a number. So now I want to take what the user is going to enter. So who can quickly tell me the function we use in taking in input from a user? Okay, it says scanf, so that is correct. So scanf function is what we use in taking in data from the user. So scanf percentage d, because we want an integer, right? Percentage d, then comma, @ none. So now we have created an instance whereby the user is going to enter a specific number. Now we have a statement, print if the number is positive, so and so, as we've read earlier on. So let's build and run this project right here. Okay, so I want to enter 8. The number is positive, that's correct. So let me enter, let's run this program again. Let me enter 0. The number is 0, that's correct. Okay, we're doing very well. So let's quickly see something real quick. the number is negative. So we entered -5 and the system told us that the number is negative. So these are all of the functions that are created simultaneously and imputed into the calculator, right? So we are going to learn that as we go on in this channel, right? So I've built a calculator once using C#, right? I use C# in creating calculator. So you are going to learn up to that extent in this channel. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. So let's quickly run another example. Let's assume we want a ticketing system, and in this ticketing system we want whereby the user is going to submit their age, and if the user age is above 18 and above, that is greater equal to 18, we want to say you are an adult and you are expected to pay the sum of 50,000 naira. If the age is lesser than 18, we say you are a child and you are expected to pay 5,000 naira as entrance fee, right? Okay, so let's create such system. So how are we going to do that? So we're going to declare our age. We're going to declare the age, right? So in this case, we'll call this age. Yes. Now we're going to say enter your age. In this case, enter your age. So the system is going to collect the number they've entered for their age, and we'll say the first statement, if age is greater equal to, so greater equal to is greater than equal to, right? Greater equal to 18. So we want to print. So in this case we'll say you are an adult and you are expected to pay the sum of 50,000 naira. Then else if age is lesser 18, then we say you are a child, and you are expected to pay the sum of 5,000 naira only. Then else if the number is 0, So let's say the else statement should be the number is 0, comma, you are an infant and expected to be with a nursing mother, full stop. Okay, we've created a ticket program, and let's see how this will run, if it will run successfully. So enter your age. Let's say I'm 20. You are an adult and you are expected to pay the sum of 50,000 naira. Okay, let's run again and see. So let me assume I entered 15. So you are a child and you are expected to pay the sum of 5,000 naira only. So that's correct. So let's assume the imputed was 0. Okay. Okay, lesser than 18 also range to 0. So now let's create an instance. Let's see something. Okay. Okay, so our else statement will be for if the user did not impute anything at all. So the only function is there is if the age is greater equal to 18, and else if it is lesser than 18. So we should just note that it's either you are an adult or you are a child, right? Either you are an adult or you are a child. So we've run this program and it's successful. So let's see how we can create a more complex statement. So we'll do that in our next video. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and see you in our next class.